Hi everybody, and welcome to the good, the bad and the ugly, the review show I'm going to do here on Dark Matter Workshop. Now no company in its right mind is going to send me free stuff, so please keep subbing, keep liking the videos, and welcome to the workshop. The first product that I'm going to review was actually a competition prize that I got for second place for a Portal of Chaos on the Idic Beer Terrain competition this year. So let's hear what this prize was.
But anyway guys, what I'm offering is 4 base readies.
Okay, so I ordered the scrubland, the wasteland soil, the desert sand and the arid grasslands. Now before we get to the good, the bad and the ugly, we are going to start with the what, the how and the how much. Now Luke, tell me, what are the base readies?
If you don't know what the base readies are, they're a mix of all your different dust, gravels, whatever you want to call them, mixed in with flocks, or you can have them on their own, and it's just about dipping in your base and pulling it out and it's finished, okay?
Now when taking a look at the base readies that I ordered, you can see that the color palette is quite similar. This was intentional. Now as you can see here on the website, there's quite a selection of base readies available in several different color palettes. Most of them retail for about €4, which is a decent price in my opinion, as you can easily make 100 bases with them. If you're coming from the perspective of just doing an army to play with, I would say this is the most economical way to get your bases done, and not only in an economical way but also probably in the best way. As you will see from the demos, the base readies look really good. So for this first demo we're going to start by laying down a layer of PVA glue and then just dropping it in the bucket with the mixture, tapping off the excess and making sure to get the bigger rocks fixed in the PVA glue. I made a couple of bases like this, making sure to not cover the metals entirely with the base ready, and then I applied some washes and some pigments to blend in the colors. This is the result. I think it looks really nice, really easy, really fast. And then for a second demo, I started again with simple base coats on the base and on the detailing that I want to show. And then I lay down the sand where I want it and modify the placing of the sand with a brush, so it looks just exactly the way I need it to look. Then I spray it with a mixture of water and ISO. This is going to help with the spreading of the Scenic glue. Recipes in the description below. And then again, washes, pigments. Now you can add, of course, a whole lot of bunch of detailing. I'm thinking tufts, flowers, which is going to elevate the realism even more. Now it's time for the good, the bad and the ugly. Let's start with the good. Well, it looks really nice, really a realistic scale, nice colors. It's easy to use, yet it has a lot of depth for experimentation and for adding your own colors and detailing. And it's a big time saver. You don't have to paint, dry brush your stones and rocks. On with the bad. Not a huge fan of the Ziploc bags. I get it, they're great for storing your wheat, your flock. Yeah, they're great for storing your flocks. One of the Ziploc mechanisms came loose during transit, so I had to fish out a bunch of little rocks and sand from the package it came in. The sand then tends to get stuck between the Ziploc mechanism. Yeah, I'd rather pay a little bit more and get little plastic containers.
So I'm also going to throw in some base ready glue as well, and it'll be perfect for this competition.
Yeah, you forgot the glue, Luke. You forgot the freaking glue, man!
Yes guys, you could be in the chance for winning a romantic holiday with me. Imagine that. But anyway, I'll settle for second.
So you're a giver.
Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love.